Oh, brother, can you tell me exactly how that happened? Look at that. There's bird poop all over there. We've got the garage door is inset. You know, here's the tree way over here. How on earth could that have happened unless a bird was flying over and it just barely missed the trees? I'll have to clean that off. Okay, I'm covering it up. How does that look? See there? And you know, I was going to show you how to extend this with the coupling, remember? But as I was looking, I saw this one. You always want to check things out, and I see that this one has a bubbler. See there? There's the bubbler right there, and that's connected to this pipe here. So I could take my hammer claw and kind of indent in there, you know, down to at least here, maybe a little bit further, so I can cover that up. Okay, that's what I like to do. You shouldn't have those exposed, especially in the summer. All right. Okay, so boom. That's gonna look good when I get it covered. All righty. Well, that's all I got for this time. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and I'll show you another time my progress over here. This is a work in progress. This landscaping is 25 years old. If you would have seen all of the work I've done in here, it'd just boggle your mind. It doesn't look like that much of an area, but everything, anything and everything that could happen did happen in this landscaped area, and I'm making it work, and I'm making it so it's gonna look brand spanking new when I get done. That's what I'm doing. All right, see you later.